In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up a workspace in Wrike. We'll walk through creating a new space using Wrike's built-in templates, so you can get up and running quickly with a structure that fits your team's needs. Start by opening Wrike in your browser and signing in. Once you're in, look to the left-hand sidebar for the Spaces area. Spaces are where your projects, folders, and tasks live, so this is the best place to begin when you're setting up a new workspace. Click the plus icon to create a new space. This opens the Solutions Gallery, which is Wrike's library of ready-made templates and recommended setups. From here, you can browse all templates to see the full range of options. If you want to understand where a template comes from, use the Created by filter. Templates labeled as Created by Wrike are designed and maintained by the Wrike team and often follow best practices. You can also explore community templates, which are inspired by real users and can be helpful for practical, field-tested approaches. There are sample options too, which are great for previewing structure and layout without starting from scratch. If you prefer to narrow things down based on what you're trying to accomplish, switch to Browsing by Use Case. This organizes templates by function and goal. For a simple, clean starting point, check out Get Started with the Basics. It's perfect if you want a foundational structure you can build on. If your team manages budgets, approvals, or reporting, explore Finance to find workflows tailored to financial operations. For people operations and recruiting pipelines, look at HR, which includes templates for hiring, onboarding, and employee requests. These categories help you quickly zero in on a setup that matches your team's workflow. When you find a template that fits, click it to open the details. Here you can review what's included, like example projects, task statuses, and dashboards, so you know exactly what you'll get. If you need buy-in from a colleague before proceeding, copy the link on this page and share it so they can review the template without hunting for it. Once you're confident in your choice, click Use Template. Wrike will create your new space using that structure, so you can start organizing work immediately with predefined folders, statuses, and views. This approach saves time, reduces setup guesswork, and helps your team adopt consistent processes from day one. And that's it. You've set up a workspace in Wrike using spaces and templates ready to tailor to your team's needs.